Lesson: Introduction to AI in Supplier Management, Concepts and Benefits. Artificial intelligence has become an indispensable tool in supplier management, offering a transformative approach to managing and optimizing supply chain processes. AI's integration into supplier management enables organizations to derive actionable insights, utilize practical tools, and implement step-by-step applications that significantly enhance supply chain efficiency and effectiveness. By leveraging AI, companies can address real-world challenges more effectively, resulting in improved supplier relationships, reduced costs, and enhanced operational efficiency. One of the core concepts in AI-driven supplier management is the utilization of predictive analytics to forecast demand and supply trends. Predictive analytics involves using historical data, statistical algorithms, and machine learning techniques to identify the likelihood of future outcomes. This allows supply chain managers to anticipate changes in supply and demand, adjust procurement strategies accordingly, and mitigate risks associated with supply chain disruptions. For instance, a company can use AI algorithms to analyze market trends, weather patterns, and geopolitical factors to predict potential disruptions in the supply chain and plan for alternative sourcing options. AI-driven supplier management also emphasizes the importance of supplier risk assessment. Traditionally, supplier risk assessments were conducted manually, often leading to incomplete or outdated information. However, AI tools can automate the collection and analysis of supplier data, providing real-time insights into supplier performance and risk factors. This allows organizations to proactively address potential risks and maintain a resilient supply chain. For example, AI algorithms can evaluate supplier financial stability, compliance with regulations, and past performance metrics to provide a comprehensive risk profile. Implementing AI in supplier management requires a robust data infrastructure. Data integration platforms are essential for consolidating data from various sources, such as enterprise resource planning systems, customer relationship management systems, and external data feeds. This integrated data serves as the foundation for AI algorithms to deliver accurate and actionable insights. Moreover, AI-powered tools, such as natural language processing and machine learning models, enhance data analysis capabilities, enabling supply chain managers to make informed decisions based on comprehensive data sets. One practical tool that exemplifies the application of AI in supplier management is the use of AI-driven chatbots for supplier communication and management. AI chatbots can handle routine inquiries, provide real-time updates on order status, and facilitate communication between suppliers and buyers. This not only improves communication efficiency, but also frees up supply chain managers to focus on more strategic tasks. For example, Unilever deployed an AI-powered chatbot to streamline supplier interactions, resulting in a 30% reduction in response time and improved supplier satisfaction. Another critical aspect of AI in supplier management is the optimization of procurement processes. AI algorithms can analyze purchasing data to identify patterns and negotiate better terms with suppliers. For instance, AI can assess historical purchasing data to identify opportunities for bulk purchasing discounts, negotiate better pricing, and optimize order quantities. This leads to cost savings and improved supplier relationships. A case study involving a global electronics manufacturer demonstrated that implementing AI-driven procurement optimization resulted in a 15% reduction in procurement costs and a 20% improvement in supplier delivery times. AI also plays a significant role in enhancing supplier collaboration and innovation. By leveraging AI tools, organizations can collaborate more effectively with suppliers to drive innovation and improve product quality. AI can facilitate the sharing of insights and data between suppliers and buyers, enabling joint problem-solving and fostering a culture of innovation. For example, a leading automotive manufacturer used AI to analyze data from suppliers and identify areas for innovation, resulting in a 10% increase in product development speed and improved product quality. Ethical considerations are paramount when integrating AI in supplier management. Organizations must ensure that AI algorithms are transparent, fair, and unbiased. This involves regularly auditing AI models, ensuring data privacy, and addressing any potential biases in data collection and analysis. Ethical AI practices not only build trust suppliers, but also ensure compliance with regulations and industry standards. In conclusion, AI in supplier management offers numerous benefits, including enhanced predictive analytics, streamlined supplier risk assessment, improved procurement processes, and strengthened supplier collaboration. By leveraging AI tools and frameworks, organizations can address real-world challenges, optimize supply chain operations, and achieve significant cost savings. The integration of AI into supplier management is not only a competitive advantage, but also a necessity for organizations aiming to thrive in the dynamic global market. As AI technology continues to evolve, its application in supplier management will undoubtedly expand, offering even more opportunities for innovation and efficiency in supply chain operations.